Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create a chips bag mockup like this by using Photoshop. First, open a blank chips packet image in Photoshop. Now, select the Object Selection tool and select the packet. Right-click and click on Layer via Copy option. Again, right-click on this layer and choose the Duplicate Layer option. Now, turn this layer off and select the middle layer. Drag and drop the label design in this window, and then adjust the scale to fit the packet. Now, right-click on this layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask option. Change its blending mode to Multiply. Turn this layer on. Change its blending mode to Linear Burn. Now create a Levels Adjustment layer. Click on this icon to create a clipping mask. Here, adjust these sliders to create a good contrast and brightness in the image. Let's change the background color now. Select the bottom layer. Then create a solid color layer. Choose any color of your choice here. And then hit OK. Now, change its blending mode to Multiply. Reduce the opacity to 80%. Right-click on the solid color layer and click on the blending options. Here, drag this slider a little. Make sure not to stretch this too much. This will make the background shadow more realistic. Once done, hit OK. Double-click here. And now you can change the background color as per your choice. We are done. Here, let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.